Hey kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do the basics of subtraction. So let's start with level 1. Solve the following subtraction. 7 minus 2 will give you 5. 5 minus 1 will give you 4. 6 minus 3 will give you 3. 4 minus 2 will give you 2. Here is level 2. 8 minus 4 will give you 4. 9 minus 3 will give you 6. 7 minus 5 will give you 2. 6 minus 3 will give you 3. So here is level 3. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. Good job, you did it. And thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.